Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Measure precisely. Use 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda so leavening is balanced. Whisk wet ingredients separately: 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup oil or melted butter, 2 room temperature eggs, and 1 teaspoon vanilla to warm liquids that trap air. Fold wet into dry with a spatula. Mix until just combined. A few small lumps remain. Overmixing develops gluten and makes muffins dense. Rest batter 5 to 10 minutes while the oven preheats to 350 degrees F to hydrate flour. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F so the batter springs and creates a dome. Fill liners 2/3 full to yield roughly a 3.5-inch top. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes depending on size. Insert a toothpick in the center. Few moist crumbs mean done. Avoid opening the oven during the first 12 minutes to prevent collapse. Rotate the pan at about 12 minutes for even browning. Gently fold in fruit or chips at the end so they don't sink and keep batter airy by using a light hand. When muffins finish, cool 5 minutes in the tin to set the structure, then transfer to a rack to prevent soggy sides. For extra moisture and shine, brush tops with 1 tablespoon melted butter right after cooling. Serve warm or at room temperature. To store, cool completely, place in an airtight container or wrap individually, and refrigerate up to 3 days or freeze up to 3 months. Reheat thawed muffins 20 to 30 seconds in the microwave or crisp, 5 minutes at 350 degrees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.